high speed, I can haul 'em any which way. Call my truck Sweet Ann, but if she was a man, hell, I reckon that'd make me gay. I love her, I can get 'em where they need to go. Sale barns, rodeos, herding that blacktop trail. I got a Peterbilt pipe dream, low drag, high speed, never see me rolling bobtail. I got a wife back home, but she shares me with the road, and I hope she understands that it's par for the course when you hitch your horse to the likes of a driving man. And she never starts nagging when this old bull wagon I'm dragging pulls me from home. I got a Peterbilt pipe.
Hey y'all, my name is Gary Bradford, and that is my new song, Peterbilt Pipe Dream. And I hope y'all will go listen to it. I'm trying to get it to 10,000 streams this week, and it